Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, bed utility package, black appearance package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we have rear park sensing, that tow hitch, backup camera of course. We do have mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, side view camera with turn light indicator mirrors and blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front. We do have a nice hood deflector as well, front park sensing, license plate bracket, there's a block heater back there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system. We got cup holders, a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs at 120 just right there, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here the seats are powered with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space, B&O sound system. We do have BLUECRUISE installed in this vehicle as well. Parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 14.8 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. And looking at your main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. And continue to look over here, we have a leather-wrapped gear shift with your speed adjusters, also collapsible, got storage here, cup holders, wireless charging pad with a USB and USB-C, nice leather-wrapped center console that does open up for a nice interior work surface, as well as storage underneath. We have our drive modes, rear lock differential and 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, plus dual climate, a 12-volt, 120. You got storage right there as well. Storage below, storage above right there. And we do get a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at your main screen here, we have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. And there's that BLUECRUISE just right there. And looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, or whatever you have selected, apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB29801, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.